Yes, sir. Yes.
Mr. Vyas,
Yes, sir.
your interview is going to be on which date?
And 3rd May, sir. Wednesday.
3rd May, Wednesday. Good.
Yes, sir.
It's in Bangalore, na?
Yes, sir. Bangalore.
How do you propose to go to Bangalore? On which date you would like to start?
Sir, I will go on May 1 night, sir, and I'll reach on 2, sir. I'll go one day before earlier.
That's good. That's what I wanted you to do. You
Yes,
go
sir,
one
my
day.
interview is on 9 o'clock at morning, so I cannot go on third, so I have to go one day earlier itself.
Go one day earlier, take rest, and
Yes, sir.
And get in touch with us from there also.
Sure,
so
sir.
that you can improve yourself. Good.
Yes, sir.
Now, are you ready now?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Yeah. Please tell us about yourself, as you will be telling in Karnataka Bank.
Yes, sir. So, good evening, sir. And my name is Vyas, and I'm a native of Madurai, Tamil Nadu. I was born and brought up in Madurai. I have done my schoolings in Madurai itself, and I have done my graduation in botany, and I have completed my post graduation in MSc Genomics at Madurai Kamaraj University. So after completing my post graduation, I started preparing for UPSC Civil Services, and I gave 2 attempts, sir, but unfortunately I could not succeed in that. And later my focus shifted to banking exam, and for past 10 to 12 months I've been preparing for various competitive banking exams. And so, and my family consists of 4 members, sir. I am a younger one. I have one elder brother. So my father and my brother are together works, and they do their business, and my mom is a homemaker. And to describe myself, like I'm an hardworking and enthusiastic person, and like I'm a very determined, sir. I look forward to be successful in the banking industry, sir.
Everything okay, but you were telling repeatedly Madurai and all that you avoid. I
Yes,
studied 10th in Madurai, 12th in Madurai, that and all not required. If at all
yes,
you
sir.
want, you can mention the name of the school or
Yes,
college.
Sir. Yes,
Then
sir.
that is one. Number 2, you were telling father and brother doing business. Which business you can mention that also.
Yes, sir.
And one more mistake you did in between. Some improvement, not mistake. Some improvement can be there. Regarding the degree and all, if you want to mention about the degree, you should tell BSc I completed this year, and MSc I complete.
Yeah. So they tell the year also.
Year also. Completed
Okay,
this in this year, and
yes,
started. I wrote IAS examination this year. But since I could not succeed, I decided to opt for other public government examinations. So from so and so, I am writing this, and this is the first interview, which I am up. That also you don't have to say. This is the I'm very keen on getting into a banking service.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Your English is good. Your communication in English is really good. Happy. Now, you said your father is doing business. What is the type of business he is doing?
Sir, he does trading, sir. He buys raw material and he like supplies to Ayurvedic manufacturing companies, sir.
No. Simply don't say raw materials. Ayurvedic raw materials for
yes,
medicine manufacturing company.
To the medicinal manufacturing companies.
Good. Excellent. That's nice. Now, which country is topmost in matter of Ayurvedic?
So, like India is one among the top Ayurvedic manufacturing, sir, and then China.
Good. Excellent. Now, you studied genomics. Genomics means what?
So basically, it's an branch of biology that deals with an whole genome of an organism, their structure, function, evolution of whole genome, sir. We study.
Good. Can you describe what is banking?
Sir, banks are financial institutions that borrow money from the public and it lends to the people who really need it. So the process we call it as banking, sir.
Instead of telling borrow, you say accepts deposits from the public.
Yes, sir.
They
Yes, sir.
they also borrow, but that is small percentage. Major
sir.
percentage is only accepting deposits. Good.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain how the banks are getting income and how they make profit?
Yes, sir. So the major source of income for banking is like they earn through net interest income that they are giving on advances, sir. Like, so when they're giving on advances, they charge interest on that, and so that is a primary source of income for banking. So the other source of income includes the allied activities that they provide services like internet banking, the commissions on RTGS, IMPS, NEFT, and debit card usage, credit card usage, and the bank assurance product like mutual funds, insurance. So through all this, they get commissions, and this is a secondary source of income for banking, sir.
Apart from that,
they also invest in the market, sir, through which they get the yield rate of the securities, and that is also one major income for banking, sir. Banks,
yeah,
sir.
they invest in government securities also,
Yes, sir.
and then they get income. No, okay, you told very nicely as net interest margin, but this was not expected from you because you are only a geology student. So here, if at all you tell that, you must be able to explain what is net interest margin. Tell me.
It's so net interest margin, like they accept deposits from the people at a for bank. That is a cheap source of funds, sir, and they lend advances or loans to the people with the higher interest rate when other like when compared to the accepting. So the difference between the
You can use this word, the
yes, sir.
cost of funds for the bank, namely
Yes, sir.
the average interest paid on deposits and other borrowings.
Yes, sir.
This is subtracted from the average interest that bank gets from the borrowers on loans
Yes, sir.
given. That is known as net interest margin.
Yes, sir.
You listen to this video again and try to make out sentences so that you can tell, because you are telling very well and you can
Yes.
improve it further. Good, very
Sure,
happy.
sir. Sure, sir.
Very happy. You told very nicely. Which bank do you have an account?
Sir, I have an account in State Bank of India.
In which bank your father has got account?
He has in Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, sir.
Okay, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. Where is its headquarters?
So it's in Tirunelveli.
Thoothukudi, na?
Sorry, Toothukudi. Yes, sir. Toothukudi. I got
Correct?
confused. Yes, sir. Toothukudi. Sorry. It has said it got in Toothukudi.
Who is the chairman of Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank?
So like forgot, sir. Can't remember it.
KV Ramamurthy. Tamil
So
Nadu
recently they have released no IPO 6 months before.
Oh. Board of directors. No. Here some other name is coming. I am going through Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. Here it is given. Thiru S. Krishnan.
Yes, sir. S. Krishnan.
S. Krishnan has been given managing director and CEO.
Yes, sir. I'll update it, sir.
If at all they ask and you are going to tell that bank name, then you must know some details about this. And
yes, sir. I haven't expected this kind of questions. So
yeah. Be a step ahead in life is their slogan.
yes,
Of
sir.
course, that much is not required. And I don't know whether there can be a question. What is the difference between Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank and say Karnataka Bank? Is there any difference or no difference?
Sir, there will be difference and not sure what. So like they listed the company in the market, sir, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank, and in public listing, sir, and Karnataka Bank, like till now they haven't listed in public market, sir. It is only private shareholders they have shareholder.
Are you sure? No.
Yes, sir. No.
Karnataka Bank shares are sold in Bombay Stock Exchange.
Yes, sir. I'm not aware. It has listed in BSE.
I think so. I don't know. Nobody has
I'll
told.
check. I'll check it, sir.
Yeah, 128 rupees 50 paise. It is sold.
Yes, sorry, sir.
128 rupees 50 paise. It is sold. That's right. That's okay. Fine. So
Yes,
you are telling that Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank quoted in stock exchange is very fine, but the
sir.
other information is wrong.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, when I look through the websites of these two banks,
Yes, sir.
the only difference I can find out is about digitalization.
Yes, sir.
Probably our
Karnataka
Karnataka
Bank is
Bank
more
is
advanced in digitalization than TMB.
digitalization. Then
And
Tamil
which is
Nadu.
like yes, sir. In market capitalization, which is more, sir, like Karnataka, TMB.
Yeah, let me check it up. Obviously, Karnataka Bank, it will
Yes,
be.
sir. They have listed much before than the TMB. So
Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. Bob, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank shares are now quoted at 428.15. Today only it has increased by 20 rupees.
yes, sir.
Oh, Baba.
Like many
Market
of us, my friend also have account in Karnataka TMB Bank. When the IPO listed, he could not get the
shares.
shares, sir. There was so demand for that.
Market capitalization given now is at 407. It is given as 6,391 crore.
Yes, sir. What is
6,000.
then
Karnataka Bank,
Karnataka?
I'll find out. What is market capitalization?
So market capitalization is the multiplication of share value, sorry, market value into the number of share.
Good. For a non-commerce graduate, you are answering like that. I am extremely happy. Market capitalization. Market capitalization. Karnataka Bank. Only 4,000 crore, 3,999.55 crore.
Yes, sir. Which is
Please write in a notebook. Write in a notebook and you tell us in the class when somebody asks.
yes, sir. I'll remember in the class, sir.
Yeah, the Karnataka Bank shares market capitalization right now is 3,999.55 crore.
Yes, sir.
And for others, this is not required. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank shares is 6,391. That was when the price was 407. Now the price is 427. It must be more than that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But of course, these details you don't have to tell. Its headquarters is in Thoothukudi. And number of employees for them is 4,419. They
Yes,
have
sir.
a subsidiary, Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. Then they have one asset management arm also.
So, like, sir, Karnataka Bank is having around 8,000 employees, but
Mm.
TMB only 4,000 employees. So they're having half of the Karnataka Bank employees, and they're having much more business than the Karnataka Bank, and they're not paying the employee even the IBA level salary. So, all including this,
No, but
they're
I don't.
generating more profits.
I don't know whether their deposits are what is their deposit. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
Maybe they are able to have good share market price because their profit is good.
Yes, sir.
But what is the deposit advance figure?
For Karnataka Bank, it is around 80,000 crores, sir.
Correct. Yesterday I posted a video on that. Did you see that? Huh?
No, sir. No, I did not see.
I have posted a video. 1 minute. Hold on. I'll show you.
I saw in the website, sir, Karnataka Bank website.
Yeah, because not only that, this is as on 31 March 2023. The figure that I have shared is
Yes, sir.
as on 31st March 2023. 3. This is the one.
Sir, I like the figure what I have told is 31st March and 2022, sir. I have
No,
seen
no,
it.
no, that is
Ah.
wrong. So that's why I'm showing you this. 1 minute. Hold on. Let this
Yes, sir.
be, let this go on record. Good evening. See, mistake. I have forgotten. Yeah. So you write down, and now what are we done now? This is interview. About what I was telling. This is interview class. This
Yes,
is
sir.
interview deposit.
We were searching for the total deposit amount.
Yeah, here it is. Which one should I press? This one or
So
this one?
the triangle,
This.
no, sir, center. No,
Center.
center one, sir. Yes, it's the same. Yes.
Yeah. Good evening, candidates. Good evening. Today in the class, a candidate was asking about Karnataka Bank figures. Of course, he has sent the SEBI footnote prepared by Karnataka Bank, wherein we can see what is the profit made, what is the capital and all that. But regarding deposits, I came across this. Karnataka Bank targets rupees 1.75 lakh crore business in 2023-24. Karnataka Bank achieved rupees 1,48,694 crore business. That is both deposit and advances. Both deposit and advances put together. This was told by MD and CEO Mahabaleshwara. MD and CEO Mahabaleshwara. On 1st of April, he was addressing the gathering through the virtual conference, it seems. The bank has achieved 1,48,694 crore business. That means both deposit and advances. They are setting a target of 1.75 lakh crore for the financial year, next financial year, which translates into a growth of 17.69%. Addressing the employees on April 1, beginning of the new financial year, through virtual mode from Mangaluru, Bank Managing Director CEO M.S. Mahabaleshwara, now he has changed. As per provisional numbers, business turnover of the bank stood at 1,48,694 crore with a growth of 7.63% consisting of deposits. This is the figure, please note down, 87,362 crore. Deposit 87,362 crore and advances 61,326 crore. Let me repeat, deposits 87,362 crore, advances 61,326 crore. Total CASA deposits 32.97% as on March 31, 2023. We are having the latest figure itself. We have navigated the financial year fairly well. by exhibiting sustainable growth and liabilities and assets, prudent asset liability management, and robust risk management practices, negating the adverse after effects of global developments like rising interest rates, Ukraine war, etc. Stepping into 100th year of service, bank has launched a year-long centennial celebrations. Mr. Mahabaleshwara is confident that bank is set to emerge as a strong, vibrant, and energetic digital bank powered by accelerated new transformation journey, KBL Next, that will propel the bank to new heights of growth. Executive Director Shekhar Rao, now he is the interim MD and CEO, said the bank's performance was satisfactory under the given macroeconomic scenario. The bank would strengthen the operational ratios in the coming quarters given its solid fundamentals, good IT infrastructure, and hygiene of the credit portfolio. Chief Operating Officer YV Balachandra and Chief Business Officer Gokuldas Pai participated in the video conference. Thank you. Once again, let me repeat. Total deposits 87,362 crore. Advances 61,326 crore. This figure only is available as far as March 31, 2023. The CASA deposit is 32.97. Yeah. So this is the mistake. So that is the... I forgot it. Yeah. Yeah. So you write...
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. 1 minute. I'll close this. Yeah. That's okay. So I played this so that everybody will watch your video. So, and I am sure this will be getting the attention of the candidates. That is the reason I showed this. Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Now we will go into other aspects. Yeah. Can you differentiate, or you tell me you have account in State Bank of India, very fine. Now, supposing you get a job in State Bank of India, will you go from Karnataka Bank or will you continue with Karnataka Bank?
So I'll continue with Karnataka Bank because the Karnataka Bank is no way inferior to the public sector bank. It has the business is here is huge, and the people working in Karnataka Bank are really happy, and it is prestigious for me to work in the Karnataka Bank. And obviously the pay scale are also equal to the public sector bank. So I'll work in the Karnataka Bank itself, sir.
Good. Now, what are the various deposit products of our Karnataka Bank?
Yes, sir. It has various products of various deposits products for various sectors of segments, sir. Savings deposits is like SB general account. It is for SB general account. Savings account for salaries people. Saving account for students, college students. We call it as SBL Tarun, KBL Tarun. And savings account for school students, we call it as KBL Kishore. So there are
you tell 2-3 only major, not very many in savings, but
yes,
try to mention about KBL Vanita also.
Yes, sir. KBL Valita, it is exclusively for it is a scheme exclusively for women. To increase the to encourage the habitual of savings for women. Therefore, they have these accounts, sir, and the woman should be 18 years and above, and it can have an either joint account or individual account. And if it is a joint account, it should be with other female only. And the minimum balance here is about 2,000 for metro cities and
okay. What are the other deposits apart from savings bank which Karnataka Bank is having?
Is current account deposits, sir.
Okay. Next.
And recurring in current account deposit, and in demand deposit you have RD recurring deposit and fixed deposits.
No.
And
Hello, demand
Yes, sir.
deposits means current account and savings account. Whereas
Yes, sir.
fixed
In
deposit,
time
recurring
time
deposit.
deposit is
Yeah,
yes, sir. In time deposit, we have recurring deposit and fixed deposit, sir.
very good, very good. Excellent. What is the maximum period for which fixed deposit can be opened?
So it can be open for maximum of 10 years and minimum of 7 days.
What is the minimum period for a recurring deposit? Maximum period for recurring deposit?
It is minimum period of 6 months to 10 years, sir.
Excellent. Good. Can you tell me what is a demat account?
So demat account stands for dematerialized account. It is an account used to hold the securities that that we buy in the share market, sir.
Good. Excellent. Now, can you tell a few points about banks priority sector?
Yes, sir. So banks banks like the government and RBI have mandated bank to provide the 40% of the adjusted net bank credit to the priority sectors. So the priority sectors that changes from time to time. As per now, the priority sectors are education, export, MSME, agriculture, social
Hmm.
infrastructure, and others, sir. So
Hmm.
these are the priority sectors that RBI has mandated to provide bank to the loans.
Super, 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 super. Good. Very happy. Excellent. So you are in Madurai.
Yes, sir.
Madurai is known for what?
The Madurai is known for jasmine flower,
Okay. Then,
sir. Temples, food,
okay. Hmm. You can
festival.
also tell about granite industries and also about honeymoon. So honey, what is that IT company?
Honeywell.
Honey, Honeywell.
Honeywell.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one. And you can also tell about the crops grown in and around that area.
Yes, sir. So
Some,
primarily jasmine flowers, sir, and sugar cane is also cultivated a lot. And we have sugar factories outskirts of Madurai, sir.
what is?
And
Can you name one or two factories outside Madurai?
I do not know name, but it is around the Alanganallur, Vadipati. In the outskirts of Madurai, we have sugar mill factories, sir.
Alanganallur is famous for what other purpose?
So like Jallikattu is famous in Alanganallur.
Very
And
good. Correct, correct. That is sufficient. That much is sufficient. Very good. So you are a Madurai boy. You are,
and
yeah.
we do export jasmine at a high scale, sir. Like to Malaysia, Singapore, even in Gulf countries, we export daily basis a very large scale. So that is one of the prime business in Madurai, exporting
Acha.
jasmine flowers.
Jasmine flowers are grown more in and around Madurai. Is it so?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How
That
they
has special
man?
aromatic in it.
Yeah, how they manage to send it fresh to foreign countries?
Yes,
Is
sir. Sir, like generally the flowers which are blooming in the early morning will have the good quality of flowers, sir. We call it as good quality of flowers. So they procure not all flowers. They procure the high quality which is very grown. The shape itself they know, sir. They procure in very good quality and they pack it in a thermocol ice cooled box and they will do export, sir.
acha, good. And they pluck it during night time or early morning.
No, sir. Like they pluck it around 2 to 3 times in a day, sir. More than 3 to 4 times in a day. Like
Oh,
if they pluck
during
it at 6 o'clock, again they pluck it at 8 o'clock, and again 11 o'clock.
oh,
So
excellent,
each,
excellent.
yes, sir.
Who is the MLA of your place?
So like Saravanan is an MLA, sir.
Belongs to which party?
He belongs to DMK.
Good. Who is the finance minister of Tamil Nadu?
Sir, T. Palnivel sir. Mr. T. Palnivel.
Who is the MP from Madurai, your place?
So Mr. Venkatesh,
He is also from DMK.
he belongs to Communist Party, sir. Like Alliance of Coalition Party of DMK.
Acha, acha, acha. Good, good, good. Excellent. That's really nice. Can you name 5 ministers from from state cabinet and their portfolios?
Sir, like Mr. M.K. Stalin, sir, Chief Minister and Home Minister and Police Minister. Like T. Palnivel is a Finance Minister. And Tangam Tennarse is a Minister for Industries Development. and Murthy is an Mr. Murthy is an Minister for an registration. So sir, Durai Murugan is concerning for fisheries department, sir. He's a Minister for fisheries department.
Bank holidays are declared under which act?
The Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Very, very happy. This is the correct answer. Yeah. Now, why should I select Vyas? What is the name of Vyas? What is the meaning of the name Vyas?
Vyas is a name of a saint who wrote Mahabharata. Vyasar Munivar.
Oh, why your parents have given you very abridged name? They could have given Vyasar or Vyasan or Vyasaji, something like that. Why?
So it looks like old name Vyasar or Vyasaji. Like if it's a Vyas, it can be like a new trend name. It looks
Neutral.
like modern when
Modern
compared
name.
to Vyasar. Yeah.
Good. Excellent. How do you imagine yourself 5 years from now? What are you imagining yourself?
Yes, sir. After learning all the department and all these all the nook and corner of the bank, I'll be after the 5 year I'll be handling the branch, sir. I'll be in the managerial post and I'll
Good.
expanding the business of the bank, sir.
Why have you not succeeded in other competitive exams of a higher nature, like say IBPS or SBI PO?
Sir, I have for the past 1 year I have been preparing for banking exams and I wrote around 4 mains, sir, and lost in all the mains by marginal marks, sir. Even in IBBS PO, I lost around 3 marks, sir.
So which subject is putting a problem for you? Is
No,
it
sir.
general?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Which general awareness or which subject?
It was my first attempt and it was due to my carelessness. I lost it. And if it is, if I give it the other time, I'll surely pass it, sir. I will
No,
surely.
don't tell that. Don't tell that because you have told
Yes, sir.
earlier
I
that
want.
you will continue with Karnataka Bank.
Yes. So
Ah,
sir.
ரெண்டையும் correlate பண்ணோம். Okay, what are your hobbies?
Sir, I do not have a definite hobby, sir. I do a lot of things. At various stages of my hobbies are changing, sir. As of now, my hobbies are feeding stray dogs and having time with pets and going long drive in a car or bike, watching movies. These are my hobbies, sir. As of now.
No, but don't tell I don't have hobbies. But tell what are your hobbies right now? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So watching movies and going for a drive and feeding stray dogs, sir.
Why do you feed stray dogs? It's a menace. It's a menace. See, there are a lot of reports coming where
Yes,
some
sir.
young children are being beaten by dogs and
Yes,
they
sir. I have
die
seen it.
also. Then
Yes, sir.
why are you feeding stray dogs? If you
Sir,
can
not
put them
sir.
inside a compound and then feed them, that's good. But stop feeding stray dogs. I don't know. I'm not telling you should not give money to others, give feed to others, but feeding stray dogs is, I think it is a menace to the society. Please tell me your plus points and against points on this.
Yes, sir. Sir, not all the dogs are menace to the society, sir. There are the dogs are were brought were earlier were wild animals and it was brought into the pet animal by the human being a long years ago. This is due after the so many years it has become in between wilder and petter, sir. It cannot be really into wild and it cannot be really into pet. It is in between. It is stuck in between, sir, and it has nowhere to get food, sir. At least we people.
In which place do you feed stray dogs?
Sir, in our locality, sir, near locality, in my area.
Opposite to your house, or you go away from your house?
No, only 2 to 3 streets I will go, sir. Not much behind that.
What is it you will give them?
Sir, I'll give rice, like chicken. That's it, sir. Biscuits.
You are making dogs also non-vegetarians.
So that is absolutely non-vegetarian animals, sir. We make them vegetarian.
Good. What is the movie you saw last?
So last, I saw a movie of Romancham in Malayalam movie, sir.
Can you recollect the names of 2-3 movies that were made based on Madurai only as a base?
Sir, yes, sir. Jigardanda,
Mm,
Subramaniapuram,
mm,
Goripalayam.
mm. I am
Uh,
having one picture in my mind, whether you are telling it.
so
Siva
it is,
Karthikeyan.
yes, sir. Rajini Murugan.
Correct.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
You are through all this. What is the
Yes.
news you read in today's newspaper?
Sir, like Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Cochin, sir, and he has opened like Thiruvananthapuram to Kasaragod Vande Bharat Express,
Mm,
and the Tamil, like Mr. Governor has put on hold the Tamil Nadu Factories Act amendment that he has put on hold. Like the government also withdraw like this, sir.
mhm, mhm.
It's going to withdraw the amendment that was made in the Factories Act.
What has the amendment made?
So they made it
Oh, 12
like
hours. 12
yes,
hours.
sir, 12 hours, 12 hours.
Acha, that one. So what is news about Punjab?
Punjab. You're asking about in Punjab what is the news, sir?
Punjab news. News relating to Punjab. Amritpal Singh.
Amrit Pal Singh, sir, he has got stolen by some strangers, and that is in UP, isn't that
No, it is in Punjab. Punjab, Amritpal
like
Singh
he
has.
is like yes, sir. He was a rowdy earlier, and he got entered into politics, and he was shot by some two strangers, and
Don't
that
use
was in
the
the
don't use the word rowdy. Say Amritpal Singh was a leader of the separatist movement.
yes. So, sir,
And
sir, he's a pro coalition. He's a pro coalition, sir. Yes, sir.
he
They have
hide
arrested and they have
he
put
was
out in solitary confinement in Assam, sir.
super.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who is the
I've read
chief
it, sir.
minister of Assam?
So Assam, in Punjab for Anjab Ashok Gehlot, and for Assam, sir, I'm not getting it now.
Assam chief minister. Is it
Sorry,
Himanta Biswa Sharma?
yes, sir. Himant Biswa Sharma.
Is
Yes, sir.
Himanta Biswa Sharma.
Sharma.
Good. Then what else is the news you have read today?
And
Eh,
like
eh,
Hamid sir, yes, sir.
you
Home,
tell
Home Minister,
about Tamil Nadu better, otherwise neighboring states. What is the important thing that is going to happen next month in Karnataka?
yes, sir, the assembly election that is going to happen on May 10th, and Union Minister Amit Shah is in Karnataka and he's doing for last campaign, sir.
Hmm. Oh, here there is one bad news. Punjab, Ludhiana, I think it is in Punjab or Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, sir. Ludhiana is in Punjab.
It seems traders are offering 1 rupee per kilogram capsicum.
Capsicum. Yes, sir.
They are
They have
dump.
put out in the road and they're striking the campaign. They're doing strikes, sir.
These things you must speak. Okay.
And like when there is more supply, the automatically the price falls drastically, sir.
Mm.
Everybody cultivated capsicum, then who will buy it, sir? It is a perishable good, and you cannot hold it and sell it even later. You should sell the 2 to 3 days.
Who is the
So
chief minister
obviously,
of Haryana?
no.
Chief Minister of Haryana, Manohar Lal.
Manohar Lal Parikh, no. Manohar Lal.
Manohar Lal Qatar or something. Manohar Lal. And there is news because he is participating in some water conclave along with Narendra Modi ji. Chief guest
Sure.
is Manohar Lal, water conclave.
Yes, sir, I'll update it.
How important is water for human living?
The water is most important for human beings, sir. Like air, water, and land is most important for any being to live in this water, to live in this earth. We have only 2 to 3% of pure water, and remaining 98% is also surrounded by salt water, sir. So we have to use it wisely, and in a wise manner, so that it will be sustainable for our future generation also, sir. We should not waste it in such a way.
Good. In which other state election is going to take place in 2024?
Sir, in 2024, the MP elections are going to take place all over India.
Oh, correct. Then state
And
elections.
yes, sir. In Maharashtra, in Tamil Nadu also is going to take place, sir.
No. Tamil Nadu, no. State. Tamil Nadu
Sorry,
Assembly
sir.
is 26 only.
2026, yes, sir. And
I
I
think
think it's
Telangana. Telangana it is coming.
yes, sir.
Telangana.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Very good. Do you have any questions?
Sir, no, sir. I don't have questions, but like review my interview, sir. Is it okay that I should
No,
I should improve in any other area?
it is fine. It's fine. You have been answering very well, but you are not thorough with static GK. So you must
Yes, sir.
update your static GK and current GK and improve
Yes, sir.
yourself. I will give 9 out of 10 for this interview. If you have scored good marks in the written test also, 90% you will be selected.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Good
Bye,
job. Good job. You answered very well.
Sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
but one thing, can you
Yes, sir.
get up at 6 o'clock in the morning?
Yes, sir. For what? Like spoken English class.
Yeah, spoken English class. Why don't you join that?
Yes, sir. I'll join from tomorrow onwards.
Yeah, you please join that. For you concession, I will give you 200 you pay me instead of 300.
Okay, sir. For that also, we have to pay separate fee. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. It is a separate one for 300 rupees. And
Okay, sir.
I am asking you to join because you are good in talking in English. So it will
Yes,
be
sir.
a motivator for others to know about it. And possibly you can also learn some new things when I discuss about banking, or when I discuss about economy, or when I discuss about current affairs, or
Yes,
something
sir.
about birds and all that. It will help you a lot to further improve your communication.
Yes,
Similar
sir.
candidates like that who have joined, they have gone into ECGC and all.
Yes,
They
sir.
they used to be permanent. Every day they will come and they will talk. I will give some assignment and you have to prepare on that assignment and then talk also. That is how it is. So
Sure, sir.
are you interested?
Sir, I'll tell you by 8 o'clock in
No
night
problem.
class.
No problem. No problem. No compulsion. No
No, yes, sir.
compulsion.
No, no. I'll let you know by night, sir. Today, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.